Hi, this is Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. I just cut my hair now and I thought I should do a proper maintaining and cleaning properly. I will take you step by step on how to clean this Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner, which is very simple, but it will be easy for anyone who wants to clean his or her Dyson vacuum cleaner. Here I'm going to be emptying the vacuum now because like I said, I just cut my hair and you can see a bunch of hair. I just try to empty the vacuum. It's the most simplest vacuum to use if you really handle it very well. I can say this is about 4 years I got this vacuum now, and it's still, if you take a look, it's easy to detach, it's easy to reassemble. This is why Dyson is one of the best vacuum cleaner I've ever used. And you see, everything, even anybody, even when you don't have experience, this is the fitter. Easy, dirty, you just take it off, you clean it and replace it back. It's easy. Anybody can do it. And it makes it, once you clean it, you can see how powerful it will be while you are using it. Here, once you want to take this off, you just get hold of the red button, you pull it out. There are signs and how to open, how to take everything out one by one whenever you want to do a proper cleaning. Sometimes I do washing. Today I'm not going to be washing, I'm just going to be cleaning. And you can use brush, anything. You can see how the particles are falling out. Those are the things that can disturb it from not having that force to clean properly. If you really maintain it well, you are gonna like it. I do this cleaning regularly, once in 3 months, once in 4 months. So if you take a look, I put my brush, try to make sure I clean it properly. It's easy, and if you follow the step of cleaning your vacuum, you will understand that vacuum cleaning also have a role on its force. Without cleaning, you will feel that it's very, very powerless. So when you do this cleaning like this, you will understand that the force has come back. I am just doing cleaning today, just trying to make sure all the area are cleaned properly. As you can see, this is the vacuum and it's easy. You see the red button, once you just pull it down, it will open for the bin to definitely go out. I'm just going to clean it. If you see it's not too dirty, I have tried to empty it before, but I regularly do this. Like I said, regularly do it. It's 4 years this vacuum has been with me now, and this is what I do. 4 years I keep cleaning whenever I feel, and this has kept it that long. I actually believe that vacuum cleaner also has to be clean. You see, I'm just trying to make sure it's properly clean. Even when I'm going to be using it for bin or trash and all, I also have to clean it to make sure it look good at home. So I'm just going to clean it now and know that it's properly clean. Then I keep it aside, dust it. This is just a simple maintenance you need for this vacuum cleaner at home. With this, you actually are going to, your vacuum cleaner will be last for you. This is the pole. Make sure it's not blocked. You check inside, you make sure it's not blocked. You can see, and once it's not blocked, it's definitely going to be able to extract any trash. Here is the filter. This, you clean it, you just dust it inside and the front. With this, your vacuum cleaner V11 will come back new again. This is what makes Dyson very, very special. If you do this regular maintenance, it will last for you. 4 years I have been using this, and I can testify that I haven't had any problem. I can use it for my car. I use it for the heavy rug. It's actually capable of doing anything. This is what makes, this is just the roller. The roller, I don't want to open it today. I'm only just going to open from here and do a simple cleaning. Put my brush in, and usually sometimes I open it, I watch each and every one. Well, I will get a video of that for you next time, where I'm going to be washing all the parts. But today I'm only just doing the maintenance cleaning, using brush to make sure I do the normal usual 3 months cleaning that I am already used to. You can see it's a simple vacuum machine that is easy access. Anybody can do it. Anybody. You just follow the step you are seeing here now. You'll be able to get your vacuum back on its feet again. It's so easy. The easiest thing about Dyson is this, being able to detach them and reassemble them as you did when you were taking everything off. There are rules and regulations you should follow, but you just check all this. You see all the dust. I am just trying to make sure everything is out from the roller. The roller play an important role because it's the one doing the major work. This is too hot. Now is to assemble. Okay, assemble. So just press this. Just see. Everybody can do it. That is it. Now, it's just to fit this. See? Perfect. Sometimes you can wash if you feel like. Easy. Now it's to assemble the head.